Hi, everybody. This is Michael Levitas from jurisq.com with a personal injury attorney in Dayton, Ohio, Kevin Attkisson. Kevin, welcome back. It's a pleasure to have you.
Hi, Michael. Thank you.
Thank you. Now let's talk about what you can sue for. Okay. What can you sue for after a car accident in Ohio?
Okay, so in specifically motor vehicle accidents, first and foremost, you've got an at-fault driver who's responsible for damages caused by their negligence, and the damages fall into many different categories. And we'll put one aside here. Obviously, if your car's been damaged, okay, you can sue for the damage to your vehicle, and you'd be entitled to a rental and all that. And I believe we talked about in a previous session about the diminished value claim. That is, if your car has been damaged and then repaired, it still carries a stigma with it in terms of somebody's going to get a Carfax when you try to sell it, and your vehicle is worth less after even if it's been repaired back to its previous condition, it still has a stigma and it has less of a value. So there's a diminished value claim. All of those things fall under the category of what I call property damage or vehicle damage. So let's put that aside. Then you have your bodily injury claim, okay? And you're entitled to compensation for your bodily injury claim. And then the bodily injury claim is broken up into categories as well. We have two main categories of damages under bodily injury claims in the state of Ohio. One is what we call economic loss, okay? Economic loss are all the things that we can add up the dollars with, okay? I can get out my calculator and I can figure out what somebody's economic loss is. They have medical expenses, okay? They have lost wages. They have maybe there's been harm done to their business, and their business is losing money if they're self-employed. So those types of things, again, medical bills, lost wages are the main categories. Those are the economic losses. And I can actually, if you're working a job at a business and you're an hourly employee and you're off for a month, we can do the math on that. If you would have worked 40 hours a week at X number of dollars an hour, we can do the math on that. Again, that's the economic loss that we can figure out with a calculator.